Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Rashid and today I will tell you about the text box, that how you can use text box in Microsoft Word 2013 and the one thing which is very beneficial from text box concern, that you can insert the text box in anywhere in your document. So firstly you just need to come and insert from here text box. From here you can use any design of insert a text box, right? Or you can draw your own customized text box. From here you can download the different style of text box from office.com. So firstly I will just pick a simple text box from here and write my e tutorial, right? And now you can see that there is a outline of text box. You can remove the outline as well, right? Just double click on it and there will be an option of format. From here you just need to no fill, right? And no outline. That's mean I have removed the background color as well the outline color. So now you can see there is no outline of my text box. Double click on it. From here you can, I will put it here, double click on it, and here are different formats, different style for your text box if you want to insert. So and you can change the format color as well, right? Font color, here is a list, right? So this is the basic things about the text box which I share with you. And now you can see that I can change the degree angle as well for text box, right? And I can insert, drag it from anywhere where you want to drag according to your requirement. So this is the basic of text box, that how you can insert and how you can play with text box. And inshallah when we will work on different title pages and different editing in Microsoft Word 2013, then I will using this text box. And so this is all for this tutorial. See you in the next one. Thank you.